Lie down on your back. We cool down our body in happy baby pose, Ananda Balasana. Just bend your knees, soles of your feet facing up. Hold on to the outer edges of your feet. Close your eyes. Press the lower back. If you want, you can just rock left to right, right to left couple of times. It's okay if you couldn't do the full pose today. We are all working on it. Come back to center. Release the legs. Let's take a spinal twist. Arms in line with the shoulders. Bend both the knees, right ankle over the left knee, figure 4. And take the knee to the right side, the same side, head to the left. Use the ankle to press the knee down, eyes closed. Do it with closed eyes. Come back to center. Left ankle on top of the right knee. Breathe in. As you breathe out, same side, left side. Press the knee down, head to the right. Come back to center. Settle down, Shavasana. Make all the adjustments you want in Shavasana. Surrender yourself on the mat. Keep your entire body relaxed. Let the muscles, joints, breath relax. For the next few minutes, focus on Kaya Sthiryam, stillness of the entire body. I'll not be giving you any instructions. Stay with the experience within yourself. Take 3 deep breaths, as slow as you can, to expand and contract the chest. End of 3. Move your toes, fingers, head left to right, right to left. Legs together, arms stretched over your head. Interlock your fingers, give your body a nice long wake up stretch. Stretch your body. Release your arms, bend your knees, roll over to your right side. Stay there for a couple of breaths. With closed eyes, come to a comfortable seated posture. Join your palms at your heart center. Express gratitude to your body for all that it does. Gratitude to your breath the prana of our lives. Let us end by chanting 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Take a deep breath in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms, make it warm. Once it is warm, place them on your eyes. Take your palms away. With a few blinks, look into your palms.